Hello, good morning, dear blooming students and friends. This is Suresh Bhardwaj, TGT English, retired from JNV Azamgarh. I am here with article to know, to understand. Let us know, let us understand what is an article, and let us understand how to use an article or articles into various sentences. Articles subdivided into two parts: indefinite article and definite article. Indefinite articles, they are two, a and in number they are two, a and an. And definite article, that is only one, the or the, to be pronounced as the. Now let us understand what is an article. Here one sentence has been written: I have an apple garden. I eat the apples every day. You know, noun here, apple, noun. Okay, just before here, an used. Okay, an apple, apple, an apple. I eat the apples. Noun, just before noun, an, are the used here. It means this an, okay, fixes noun, determines noun. So now articles may be called as determiners, right? Articles, determiners. And you know, suppose I have a beautiful apple garden. Beautiful. Suppose here beautiful. Beautiful adjective in place of an, beautiful adjective, apple, qualifying apple. In this way, adjective. Now a and the functions as an adjective, determines object, determines noun. So noun, that is, articles subdivided into two: indefinite articles and definite article. Indefinite, they are two in number, a and an. A book. Let us understand. A book, bo sound. A book. A table, here you see bo, here table. A pen, one eye, a useful, book. A European, a unique, a university, a union, a year. Before consonant sound, a to be used. Before consonant sound, article a to be used. Okay, a or a, that is to be used before consonant sound. Alright, let us enjoy here next part. Apple, apple, a. Elephant, an apple, elephant, an apple, elephant, a sound. Inkpot, E sound. Orange, O. An orange. Umbrella, an umbrella, O sound. An umbrella. An ear, E sound. Eye, an eye, A sound. An owl, O. An ox, O. An O. An air, A sound. An honest, An if, if, A. An HM, H, A sound. An LLB, L, an MA, A sound first comes. An NSC, an OTT, an ACDM. Look at an MP, an NSC, N, an OO, an SA, an MA sound, an X-ray report, X-ray A. Here you see, now an has been used. What does it mean? Word starting with the vowel sound. So before vowel sound, I that should be used. I that is to be used just before vowel sound. Okay, A to be used before consonant sound and an to be used before vowel sound. Now let us consider the or the. The, T-H-E, the, T-H-E-D. Now, the book, the table, the boy, the cow, useful, okay. What does it mean? Word starting with the consonant sound, the T-H-E, to be pronounced as the book, the table, the boy, the cow, right? And next, the Indian Ocean, the Indian, E sound, Ocean, the English, E sound, Uttar Pradesh, U, the army, army, the Indian Ocean, the English, the Uttar Pradesh, the army. Okay, so what does it mean? Word starting with the vowel sound, before vowel sound, T-H-E, to be pronounced as D. Before D, to be used before vowel sound. One thing I would like to tell you, A-N, for your general use, for your common use, this generalizes the noun or pronoun, generalizes, and definite article, that is the or the, okay, particularizes the noun or thing. Next point, next rule, that is A and for countable noun, common noun, that is in singular number, common noun, countable noun. Okay, A means एक के लिए, सिंगुलर के लिए, एक के लिए काउंटेबल हो या कॉमन नाउन हो, एक के लिए. This is a letter for you, a letter. एक a letter for you. There is an apple, एक सेब. That is the book I want. The book एक के लिए है, परंतु the यहाँ पर बुक को पर्टिकुलराइज कर रहा है. The particularizes noun, common noun. It is the book, common noun, has been particularized by the. यह वही पुस्तक है मैं चाहता हूं. वही मीन्स एम्फेसिस है. तो ये डेफिनेट आर्टिकल हो गया यहाँ पर. और यहाँ पर एन आपके इंडेफिनिट आर्टिकल है. सिंगुलर नंबर के लिए, काउंटेबल है और कॉमन नाउन के लिए है. अब now next point which I want to tell you. I have an elephant. Elephant. I. Okay. Noun. Before noun, article an has been used here. It is a beautiful flower. Flower. Noun. Okay. And beautiful adjective. Just before adjective, article a has been used. It is a beautiful flower. Flower से पहले आप adjective देख रहे हैं और इस adjective के पहले आपका a article लगा है, right? Before adjective, it is a very beautiful flower. Beautiful flower noun, adjective. Beautiful flower noun, okay, and adjective here, and very adverb. Just before adverb, article a has been used. Article is used before noun, before adjective, and before an adverb. Article that is used. Next point. It is almost the same story. Same से पहले हमेशा द लगता है और द से पहले देखिए यहाँ पर almost adverb. Before adverb, article may be used even before adverb. Article here after adverb. Okay. Article a here before adverb. लेकिन यहाँ पर almost, it is almost the same story. The same story, same से पहले the लगना है article और यहाँ adverb है almost, इसके बाद लगा है the. तो the article before, after, almost, after an adverb. Okay. Such, he is such an honest man. Such के बाद हमेशा आर्टिकल लगता है a. He is such an honest man. Honest इसलिए and. She is such a nice girl. वह एक nice girl है. तो such के बाद आर्टिकल a, such के बाद आर्टिकल a to be used. A cow है. Next point. For general use, for common use. Okay. Now, cow has 4 legs. एक गाय means सब गांव के लिए. It is now general, common to all cows. यहाँ पर हो सकता है every cow has 4 legs. Here it means every cow has 4 legs. An orange is full of juice. एक संतरा जूस से भरा होता है. An orange means every orange. Okay, for generalization, it means here article has been generalized and for general cow, for common cow, for every cow, here a and here I. तो ये समूचे गाय जाति के लिए है. समूचे सभी ऑरेंज के लिए है. लेकिन चूंकि काउंटेबल है, एक है और इसके लिए हम ये जनरल हो गया. for every cow, for every orange. Parantu, just look at these two sentences here written. Man is mortal, मनुष्य नश्वर है, mortal. Woman is a fickle, महिला चंचला है. तो for every man, here now generalization, man, but no article, no article here, no article here, without article. Exceptional case it is. Without article, man is mortal, woman is a fickle. So without article, these two sentences or expressions have been given here. So it is also general to all, common to all, common to every man, common to every woman. Here it is now exceptional case. Okay, next point, that is other examples. 100 paise make a rupee. 100 paise make a rupee. ध्यान से देखिए. A child cries when he or she is hungry. तो 100 पैसे, 100 पैसे 1 रुपया बनाते हैं. Common use. A child cries when he she is hungry. एक बच्चा रोता है जब वह हंग्री होता है. A child. तो here again जनरलाइज हो गया for every child. Okay. और 100 पैसे हर रुपए के लिए, for everyone. Next, she is a Newton. Here proper noun you see, proper Newton, Shakespeare, Henry, William, Wordsworth, etc. Proper noun, Newton, proper noun, but has been treated as common noun. कॉमन नाउन हो गया, यहाँ पर आम हो गया. तो शी इज अ न्यूटन, वह एक न्यूटन है, मीन्स न्यूटन की तरह है. न्यूटन जैसा सक्षम था उसी तरह भी सक्षम है. तो शी इज अ न्यूटन, as able as Newton, means here all article now used before proper noun. Okay, proper noun. Treating it proper noun has become here common. Common. Birds of a feather flock together. Birds यहाँ plural आ गया, ठीक है. Birds of a feather, एक ही पंख वाली चिड़िया है. Flock together, एक साथ एकत्र हो जाती हैं. तो flock, ये birds countable noun, right? लेकिन ये समूची चिड़ियाओं के लिए है. Here you see feather. तो समूची चिड़ियाओं का एक ही पंख होगा, एक ही जैसे a feather है. तो यह किसको, पूरे समुदाय का बोध कराता है. I earn rupees 100 a day. A day, मैं 1000 रुपया, 100 not 100 but 1000. I earn rupees 1000 a day. एक दिन, a day. 1000 means here article you see means every day. Every article A means here every day, per day. I am unable to speak a word against or before the villain. विलन के सामने, खलनायक के सामने मैं एक शब्द भी, एक शब्द मीन्स कोई शब्द है, एनी वर्ड. आर्टिकल हियर मीन्स एनी वर्ड अगेंस्ट और बिफोर द विलन. विलन के सामने एक शब्द भी, कोई शब्द भी, एनी वर्ड. हियर आर्टिकल इन द सेंस एनी. Here is not a man who may help the wounded stand up. यहाँ पर कोई आदमी नहीं है. एक आदमी मीन्स कोई, कुछ. यहाँ पर कुछ कोई आदमी नहीं है. Who may help the wounded stand up. जो wounded को, घायल को खड़ा होने के लिए हेल्प करे, सहायता करे. Here you see some man, any man, any etc. A refers to A means someone, A means any. Okay. A lot of, a great deal, a lot of works I had to do, a lot of work. Okay, a lot of work, ज्यादा से ज्यादा काम, ढेर सारे काम. A article. Okay dear, wish you all the best, have a nice day.